door open. Kick that door open. Come on.
Goes a tree.
Kel, stop. One leg's outside the door, Kel. Oh, get it in there. Oh, boy. Okay, shut the door. Get in, my gas cap's open. Oh, what's that for?
Hi, Kels.
Say Merry Christmas, Santa. Say hi, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Say come on in, Santa.
Hi.
Look it. Grumpy,
Yeah,
grumpy.
really, I like Mickey Mouse. Do you have Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey? Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yes, Mickey.
And Minnie Mouse? Uh-huh. You've been a good girl this year?
Oh, most of the
Pretty
time,
good, huh?
Santa. Yeah.
Pretty good?
Tell Santa, how good have you been?
Real good?
Tell Santa.
Pretty good? Yeah. Pretty good, I guess then. That must mean pretty good, huh?
Boy, this is the
Sounds pretty
real
confident, huh?
Santa. Wanna go see Santa?
Come
Wanna
here
go
a
see
second.
Santa?
There. Hi, how you doing?
Oh, you're
It's
okay.
okay, look here, look what I got for you.
You're okay.
Look here, Kelsey.
Kelsey.
Look here.
Aw.
It's okay, look here, Kelsey.
Oh,
Look
it's
here.
a big bag.
Look here.
It's a big bag.
Look at Mom, then you can see it, okay? Okay, look here.
Here, let's
Looky
sit
here.
up here. Let's sit up here.
Like a package.
Oh, it's a present.
Got a pretty bow.
Yeah.
Pretty red bow.
Look at it. You pull the bow off. Pull it off. Okay.
All right.
There we go,
Let's see how you
Santa.
do. There we go.
Okay. Pull this right over here. There you go. Oh no. What's in there? Here, pull this. Yes, pull this away. She's like, but I can see it. Here, Kels, pull this. Here. Oh, Kelsey, look it. Here, rip it some more. Get him all the way out. Say thank
That
you,
little bear?
Santa.
That little bear?
Is that a koala bear? Is that a... Oh, yes, love bear. Oh, love him.
Is he fun?
Say, Santa, how did you know I like stuffed animals?
Oh, we know.
How did
We know what you like.
Santa, oh,
Here he comes. Gonna get you.
thank you, Santa.
He's gonna get you. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Look out. He's gonna get you. Here he comes.
Get koala bears.
Yeah.
Kelsey, you want to go see Santa?
You come get him?
See Santa?
You wanna come get him? Yeah, is he nice here?
Oh.
Okay. You don't have to come up. That's okay. It's all yours. Should we just put him right here? Here you go. Just put him there for you.
Say thank you.
Where's your Christmas tree? Where's your tree?
Show Santa your tree.
Can I see your Christmas tree?
Show Santa your
Where
tree,
is it?
Kels. Come on, let's go show
Let's go
Santa
see
your
it.
tree.
Can we go see your tree? Come on. Tree. Looky here.
Oh.
What you got there, huh?
Is this
Thank
your
you.
Christmas tree?
Kels, is this your Christmas tree?
Is this your tree? It's pretty. What's on here? Ooh, there's some pretty babies. Huh? There's an angel. Look at the pretty angel. There's an angel too.
Kelsey, show Santa what you like. Where's your ornament? Where's your ornament? Kelsey, is this your gingerbread man?
Is this yours?
This is the one we...
All right. Let's go see
go see some more.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Say thank
Merry
you,
Christmas.
Santa.
Thanks for coming, Santa.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Say thanks. Come on, you want to see Santa to the door?
Bye.
Come on, you want to see Santa to the door?
Bye-bye.
Kels, come here. Show Daddy what you do. Show Daddy what you help Mommy do. Too bad, Dad. Too late. Kels, come here. Oh, she thinks she can lift it.
Clean the floor, Kels.
Kelsey knows how to do this because Mommy does it so much. That's how Kelsey knows. Let's plug it in. Ready? Okay, go.
Yeah, I think that spot's pretty clean, Kels. Why don't you come over here and do it? Come here. Come over here, Kels.
Remember? There you go. Oh, there. No, you're doing all right. You're doing all right. You're all done? Okay, I'm all done. Tell. Show the camera. Show the camera the present you got today. Should we show the camera the present you got today? Kelsey! It's Olivia! Hi! It's Olivia! It's Olivia! Yes! It's Olivia! Hi! Am I your new Christmas present? Oh, love Olivia. Love Olivia, yes. Oh, pretty baby. Pretty baby. Kelsey, show the camera your new baby. You showing the baby how to vacuum?
Kelsey, come here.
Good girl.
Come here, Kels. Come here. Show us your baby. Kelsey. Here, Kels.
Say, buzz off, Dad. You're in my way.
Kelsey.
Tell Daddy you're in my way. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him.
Come here.
Oh, now you did it. She was taking baby to the chair, Wayne. To the rocker. That's what we wanted, Dad. Gosh, and say, Daddy, you were in my way. Oh, rock baby. Oh. That's so sweet, Kels. Rock-a-bye, baby. Can you sing that? Sing rock-a-bye, baby.
You're going a little too fast there.
In the wild, baby's in the clouds. What are you saying to baby? Saying, oh, pretty baby. Baby has the same color hair you do, Kel. Kels, what else did you get? Oh, you're turning the VCR off and on? Oh, you were?
Kelsey.
Look it.
I made her mad.
Look. Kelsey, Daddy was recording Bart.
Kelsey, look.